lahat, Philippines. And right now, live here at the Iloilo Terminal Market, if you see it. So ayan, nandito po tayo para sa handa ang sarap ng Pasko. So just to check po yung ginagawa ng ating third party, which is ang TEMC. So titingnan po natin kung tama yung execution when it comes sa ating Cycle 5 merchandising materials. So let's see. Okay, so eto po, nakikita nyo right now yung ating horizontal streamer, which is 3 by 7 feet. So ayan po, nakahang na siya at saka visible na po para sa ating Christmas blitz ng public market today. So let's see po inside. Tingnan din po natin kung meron po tayong vertical streamer. So let's go inside. Alright, so as you see po mga Del Monte family, so nandito na po, we have the vertical banner or vertical streamer rather. So this is a 1 by 4 feet. So nakikita po natin yung aisle. Ito po yung major aisle ng public market dito sa Iloilo City. So just to give you po information, yung Iloilo Terminal Market once called po Tinda Mayor. Ito po yung pinaka-old na public market dito sa Iloilo City, wherein lahat po ng bagsakan from the province po pupunta po dito just to shop or para po mamili or mamalengke po para sa mga produkto po natin na ginagamit natin para ihanda ang sarap ng Pasko, and as well as mga ingredients po na ginagamit to give taste po, to give a free tasting ng ating sampling po for the day. Alright, so we'll be right back once again to check more on Cycle 5 program ng Del Monte.